Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down everyday banking hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to find the barcode for Capital One to deposit cash at CVS in 2025. If you're a Capital One customer looking to deposit cash without heading to a branch, this CVS partnership is a game changer. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for busy schedules. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have the latest Capital One mobile app installed on your smartphone. This feature is available in the 2025 update, so check for any pending updates in your app store. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your username and password. Security is key, so make sure you're on a secure network. Next, navigate to the Deposits or Mobile Deposits section. It's usually found in the main menu. Look for icons like a $sign or a bank envelope. Once there, select the option for Cash Deposit at Retailer. You'll be prompted to choose CVS as your location. Now, here's the fun part. The app will generate a unique barcode for your deposit. This barcode is linked to your account and valid for a short period, so don't delay. Take a screenshot or keep the app open, then head to your nearest CVS store. At the counter, inform the cashier that you're making a Capital One cash deposit. They'll scan the barcode from your phone, and you'll hand over your cash. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. The funds should appear in your account within 1 to 2 business days, depending on the bank's processing time. A few tips to make this smooth. Always verify your barcode before leaving home, and ensure you have your ID ready if asked. If you run into any issues, like the barcode not scanning, contact Capital One customer support right away. They're there to help. There you have it. You've just mastered depositing cash via barcode at CVS with Capital One. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay savvy.